Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Dear cadets, I hope you will be safe and sound with your families at your houses. Dear cadets, today we are going to start our first lecture of General Science of Class 8th. Dear cadets, in this subject, there are three types of three branches of science are included. These branches are physics, biology, and chemistry. These three portions are included in this subject. Cricket's science has different branches. So in this class 8, we will study just three branches of the science. These are main branches of science. These are first three chapters belong to branch biology. N- Next three chapters belong to the branch chemistry, and next 5 to 6 chapters are belong to branch physics. Dear kids, first of all, we will start the portion of the biology, chapter number 1. Dear kids, chapter number 1 is human organ systems. Human organ system. Dear kids, this chapter will include some important organs or organ systems of the human body. Cadets, we can also see in the picture on our screen that human diagram is being shown, and different organ systems are shown. Cadets, here we can see in the right top side uh, picture of the brain. Okay, it is an organ of the human body. Next, at the below, we can see the kidneys and their associated structures. This is also the important organ of our body, and many other organs of the body are also included. So, dear cadets, first of all, in this chapter, we will study about the nervous system, types of nervous system, components of the nervous systems, basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Next, dear cadets, we will also study the actions controlled by the nervous system and different parts of the brain, human brain. And then, dear cadets, we will study about a spinal cord, peripheral nervous system. These are these all are about the nervous system. Next year, cadet, we will also study another organ system which is known as excretory system. Dear cadets, in excretory system, we will study the function of the kidneys, their structure, the different components of the excretory system, such as kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. These will be discussed in this chapter. And next, we will discuss the different malfunctioning of the different disorders of the excretory system, diseases of the kidneys, and their treatment. Dear Karen, first of all, we are going to study, we are going to discuss, start our lecture topic, that is nervous system. It is the first topic of our subject. Dear cadets, whenever a person gets injury on his foot while walking, he feels pain and his hand immediately reaches the injured site. Who asks the hand? to reach the site. In fact, there is an organ system in our body which carries messages from one part of our body to another and coordinates body function. This system is called nervous system. Dear cadets, actually Allah has made our body in an organized way. So, dear cadets, we have an organ system in our body which carries messages from one part of our body to another part and coordinates our whole body function. There are different parts of our body are having and carrying on the specific functions. So these all functions are connected with each other. They are coordinated with each other. They are relevant to each other. So to coordinate, to connect these functions, the nervous system helps. Dear kids, we know the definition of this is the definition of nervous system, that there is an organ system in our body which carries messages from one part of dear kids, here is a mistake. This is not the word form. Actually, this is the word from. FROM. Dear kids, which carries messages from one part of the body to the another and coordinates body functions. Next, dear cadets, we will discuss the types of nervous system. These are here. Types. Dear cadets, human nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Dear cadets, there are two types of nervous system. Number one, central nervous system, and number two, peripheral nervous system. Dear cadets, what is central nervous system? Central nervous system is composed of brain and spinal cord. Dear cadets, there are two parts, two components of the central nervous system. These are brain and spinal cord. Dear cadets, we can see in the picture which is being shown on our screen. Here is the diagram and figure of a human being, and in the labeling we can see brain. In head region, brain is present, and in our back region, in the middle and the center of the back, a line is running down. This line is actually our backbone, and within backbone, inside the backbone, our spinal cord is present. Spinal cord is a fiber like structure, and that is actually spinal cord. So central, here we can see in the labeling that central nervous system, it includes brain and also include spinal cord. There are two different parts of the components of the central nervous system. Dear cadets, next, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of a network of nerves which connect the central nervous system to the all body parts. Dear cadets, now we will discuss the peripheral nervous system. Dear cadets, in this system is consist of a network of nerves. नेटवर्क मेन जाल, जिस तरह नेट होता है, वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं, नेट होता है, वो एक जाल होता है, इस तरह और जाल होते हैं जिसे हम नेट बोलते हैं. तो नेटवर्क इज एक्चुअली एक इज ए बंडल, is a combination of different things which are connected with each other, coordinated with each other. So here we can see in the figure that there are different red colored um, thread-like structures are running in our whole body. So each and every part of our body is covered with these red lines, red thread-like structures. Dear cadets, actually these red lines are actually nerves which are spreaded, which are present in all parts of our body, each and every part of our body. So these all the nerves are connected with each other and they form a network. So this complete network of nerves is known as peripheral nervous system, and these nerves are connected with the spinal cord and brain. So they carry the message from the all body parts to the central nervous system, means to the brain and spinal cord. Dear cadets, it's enough for today. Inshallah, we will discuss our next topic in the next lecture. Stay blessed. Allah. Hafiz.